We're just stopping for a meal here. He's already eaten a whole plate load of pickles. These are pickles. He seems to like them. Hi, cutie. Oh, you dropped it. Yeah, I was thinking, has he already, you know, we filled this one all the way up, just like we did this one. And I'm thinking, has he actually eaten it, or has he just dropped it all down there? And that's why he's still hungry, because he hasn't actually eaten it. He's actually starting to look full. But he can't control himself. He's a Sagittarius.
These pieces are too big.
You sure? No, look, these are, they're all cut in half.
That's a pretty big one.
Oh, okay, let's see that one.
Look, and he's just shoving them.
Well, he's taking too much at once. Okay, let's scatter them. I know, it's a real vinegar kick, isn't it? Whew.
Okay.
Ow. Can I have some? Mmm. Mmm. Mm.
I think he's just hoarding them in his mouth.
Like leaves.
Like leaves, yeah.
Well, it's true. There are certain things, like leaves, that he'll loves to put in his mouth. He'll crawl a long way to do it. But he knows not to eat them. Maybe he thinks. Slow down there, mate. Isn't it funny that babies don't starve themselves? Or I don't overeat, you know?
Yeah.
Like they just stop when they're full.
That's why it's good to let them feed themselves.
Well, why can't adults do that?
This was all on the seat.
Oh my god.
Including this.
Oh.
He just drops them all. This is nice, actually. Normally he'd just scatter it all over the whole.
Yes. Yeah, I think he's had enough.
You're still my Aryan baby.
He is.
You still have pickle in your mouth.
I kid. How you doing? Well, he's almost eaten all of them. Or done something with all of them.
You should say that we are tilting our heads.
Yeah, we're doing the back of him. Not every time, though.
Good job. That was impressive.
What about going the other way? No, you won't.
Peter, what is it?
Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Oops. There's still more if you want more. So much. Okay. 10 seconds, Sam.
Bye, Peter.
Bye bye.